It's raining Krabby Patties! Ah! Huh? A quick midnight snack and then it's back to bed. Sleep tight, my little angel. Ah, here it is. Nothing like a peanut butter and jellyfish jelly sandwich to help you get to sleep.
Die! Die!
The fridge!
Spaghetti!
Oh, Gary, I don't feel like myself. Don't be silly, Gary. I don't get colds. I get the suds. No, Gary. If I had the suds, I'd have
Dinner.
to get out of me. I can't get the suds because then I'll have to miss work. No, Gary. I like wearing my underwear like this. I'm not sick. I'm going to work.
SpongeBob, what's holding up those patties?
Right away, sir.
SpongeBob, what's wrong with you? You're paying than a baby seahorse. The suds.
Here's that patty you wanted, Mr. Krabs, sir.
All right, SpongeBob, you're too sick to work.
No, Mr. Krabs, I'm okay. Honest.
So to go home and get some rest. Nothing personal, lad. Just can't have you sneezing all over my food. Wait!
And...
Hey, hello!
Sandy, I'm sick. Can you escort me to the doctor's?
Oh, sure, SpongeBob. I'll be over there faster than a barefoot jackrabbit on a hot, greasy griddle in the middle of August.
Yeah, okay, Sandy, thanks. Coming.
Hey, SpongeBob. Going skiing?
I'm sick, Patrick. I'm going to the doctor.
What? Oh, you can't go.
Why not, Patrick?
I know a guy who knows a guy who went to the doctor once, and the doctor's office is a horrible, horrible place.
It can't be as horrible as the suds.
Oh, it is, SpongeBob. Well, first, they make you sit in the waiting room.
Is that the horrible part, Patrick?
No, it gets worse. They make you read old magazines. Then the doctor pulls out his stethoscope.
Whoa!
Yes! It's a device so sinister, so icy cold when it touches your bare flesh, it...
Patrick, I don't want to go to the doctor.
Exactly.
You gotta help me get better, Patrick. Please? Would you like to be my doctor, Patrick?
No!
That's fine. It appears as though we'll have to plug up these holes. This ought to do the trick. Voila! Feel better?
I don't know.
Help! I'm shrinking! No! Please don't hurt me!
No bubbles. Patrick, your treatment is working.
You think so?
Sure. At this rate, I'll be cured in no time. In fact, I'm gonna call Sandy and tell her not to come. Thanks, Dr. Patrick.
And they said I'd never make anything out of myself.